Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you.
Hey, this is On's Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one that came in a new My Crate. Go to japancrate.com, use the coupon code THERAMENRAIDER for a special discount. So, what is this? This is Kinchan Bukkake Cream Udon. Bukkake Cream Udon. Bukkake cream udon. Okay, so all bukkake means, I know this is gonna like let you down. All bukkake means is splash. Okay, hence, yeah. So we are going to make some bukkake udon. We got this as a liquid and then a little garnish. And we got noodles. And I'm just gonna steep them in the pot. Because that just makes life easier when you're in a kitchen environment. So, these are pre-cooked noodles. I mean, you could eat them straight like this if you really wanted to, but it's nicer when you let them soak in some hot water and kind of free themselves. So that's what we're doing here. But honestly, I don't think it really even needs 2 minutes. Probably like there's a noodle called 60-second hot bird noodle, and that one same kind of noodle, and it's 60 seconds. So I'm still doing the tickets, folks. It's the 4th of... Ooh, soft facial tissue. It's May the 4th. Long and prosper. You know. May the 4th long and prosper. Gandalf. Yeah. It's my favorite is Gandalf from Star Trek. So cool. He's got the ears like Chewbacca. All cool stuff. But yeah, it's May the 4th. Long and prosper. And tomorrow is Cinco de Mayo. And they've got a big display down at the local grocery store for Cinco de Corona. I think that's what this display says. Which it kind of is, you know, it's just more Corona. More Corona! Fresh French bread. That's the 3rd loaf of free fresh French bread we got. I literally did 500 of these last night. And I think you end up with like 2,000 of them in a full box. I'm hoping to go down buy some bananas and go to their customer service and go, look, I'm insane. Can I have a big box of these? And they'll be like, yeah, why not? Free donut. Free donut. Oh, okay. We'll just let these. There we go. They've loosened. Loose. And we drain. There's the udon. And then we have our sauce. splashing it. Splash around, play a little in it. Splish, splash, bukkake. There we go. And let's give that a try. So this is Bukkake cream udon. That's good. Now I believe this goes on top. Let me look. Yeah, it's just chives. So, are you ready? I hope you are. Not a lot of it. Kind of slithery. Okay. I really like fish cake. Have I mentioned that, folks? I'm a big fan of fish cake. I wish I could get some other fish cake because it looks neat too. It all looks pretty cool. But fish cake goes very well with udon. Pretty common juxtaposition. Now we have a problem because I've got some chashu, but where do I put this among that? And honestly, I don't think I do. What? Yeah, I don't think I can. And I've got spring onion, but it's like, where do I put that? Put. I don't think it's really a necessity. Am I making a great mistake? It's hard to tell until I make the mistake or not. And splash! Yeah, big mistake. Oh, poop. Well, we'll add some chashu then. Because you can't go wrong with chashu. Put it right there. Look at that, yeah. Now it's not a mistake. It's just a beautification project. Yeah, I don't know what else to do other than Go for maybe a big old clump of Kizami nori. I'll put it right there. So there we are. That's what I'm doing. I'm sticking with it. I'm sticking to it, folks. Oh, what the hell. We'll put some of this on here, too. My new shichimi. And a little bit of oil. Like so. Wow. All right. All right, Rotato. Make it so. All right, well, that's the first, well, this is the second day for you watching what I'm doing today, so, yeah, that's 2 reviews for me for today, and yes, I'm back on it for this week, so, hoping to crank out 10 this week. Oh, that means I'll get up to review number 3,600. Only 400 to go to get to 4K, and then 1,000 after that to get to the big old 5,000, so... Thank you for watching. Enjoy yourself and others. Have a good one. Bye.